Hello everyone, hope you're all doing good. So today we will discuss grade 6 maths, one variable equations, and here are the names of the lessons. Solve two-step equations, solve equations involving like terms, then solve equations involving integers, then model and solve the equations using the algebra tiles, and write and solve the equations that represents the diagrams. Okay? Alright then. Here is the one variable equations, and then there is two-step solve two-step equations. Okay, so this is the first topic that we discussed. Solve for b. So how can we solve it for the b? Let's write a question here. For example, there is 3 that is equals to 5 um, plus 4x. Okay, so that means we just simply find out this value of x. Okay, so what we do, this is constant here, that is constant, this is constant with variable. Okay, so what we do, we just simply move this term from this side to this side. This is a first method. If you want to solve it like this method, this is also all right, or if you want to just add with 3 or minus with 3, this is also all right. Okay, so now I'm going to just put this 5 from this side to this side. In that side, this is a plus sign. When we move it from the left side, the signs are changed. Okay, it becomes 3, and then here it becomes minus 5, then is equals to 4x as it is. So 3 minus 5, what's the answer? That is minus 2, which is equals to 4x. Now look at here, 4 is multiply with that x, because we just separate out this x, we find out the value of this x. That means, so what we do, we simply divide this 4 in that side. Here it's multiply. When we move this term from right hand side to left hand side, so it becomes in the form of division. So here x as it is, minus 2 as it is, this 4 is divided. Okay, and that is the answer. Okay, let's solve the next one. 37 is equals to 5 plus 8b. 37 is equals to 5 plus 8b. If you want to solve it like this way, to make sure like we just need to cancel out this 5 firstly. So what we do, in both sides we subtract with negative 5. Okay, this 5 cancel out. Here 37 minus 5, what's the answer? That is 32, which is equals to 8b. To cancel out this 8 from the b, divided on both sides with 8. 8 times 1 is 8, 8 times 4 is 32, this 8 and 8 is cancelled. So what's the value of b? That is only 4. Got it? Hope you guys clear. Now let's solve one more question. Yeah, okay. Y by 10 plus 43, that is equals to 52. Okay, y over 10 plus 43, that is equals to 52. So what's the first step that we will take? We just simply cancelling this 43. So here plus 43 subtract with minus 43 on both sides. So in that side this is cancel out, only y by 10 is left. And in this side what's the answer? 52 minus 43 is, it's 9. Now look at here. This 10 is divided. We just gonna multiply 10 times 9, because if anything that is divided, when we move it from left to right side it becomes in the form of multiplication, and if some number is multiplied then we move it, it becomes in the form of division. So y is equals to 90, and that is your answer. Okay, now let's do some test questions. 1 is equals to 21 plus 4h. 1 is equals to 21 minus 4h minus 4h. Subtract 21 both sides. Okay, this one cancel. 1 minus 21 is minus 20. Here is minus 4h. This minus sign is also cancel out. Then 4 is multiplied with this h divided by 4. 4 cancel. 4 times 5 is 20. So h is equals to 5. Hope you guys clear. 71 minus f is equals to 11. 71 minus f is equals to 11. Okay, now subtract on both sides 71. Okay, only minus f is left here. So 11 minus 71 is 60, but with negative sign. This minus sign cancels, so value of f is only 60. Is there any option for 60? Yes, the B one. Okay, let's do one more question. 6u minus 22 that is equals to 38. All right, now add on both sides 22. Okay, why we add it? Because it's in the form of subtraction already. Then we just add it 22 on both sides. So on this side this cancel out, so here it's only 6u. So what's the answer? 38 plus 22, it's 60. Now divide on both sides with 6. This 6 and 6 cancel. 6 times 10 is 60. So what's the value of u? That is 10. Okay, hope you guys clear this lesson. Then let's do the next. You all guys practice the remaining questions for that. Okay, now the next lesson is
Solve equations involving like terms. So 2x plus 8x. What is the meaning of like terms firstly? So the like term means the same. For example, here is x term. There are two x terms and here is one. So it means that this is x term, this is x term. So we just need to add their constants. So 6 plus 2 is 8, but only put here 1x, not x square. That is 1. Okay, and in this way now divide it over 8 for cancelling, for finding value of x. Okay, like for example, taking some examples for like y. Here is 10y minus 3y, that is equals to 7. That is equals to 8. Okay, so 10y minus 3y, what's the answer? 7y, that is equals to 8. Now what we do? Divide it over 7 on both sides. So your y is equals to 8 over 7. Okay, let's take some other digits like m. So here is 3m minus 2m, which is equals to 9. So now tell me, when we subtract 3 minus 2, what's the answer? Only 1 m, that is equals to 9. So 1 m can be written as m is equals to 9. These are the same like terms. Okay, all right, let's do the questions from here. 9c minus 4c is equals to 20. Okay, are you guys able to solve this question? Anyone? Put your answer in the chat, please. Okay. Okay, look at here. Here is 9c minus 4c. So how can we solve 9c minus 4c? So when you subtract 9 minus 4, this becomes 5c. That is equals to 20. Now what's the next step? Divide on both sides with 5. This 5 cancel. This 5 is cancelled out with table 4. 5 times 1 is 5, 5 times 4 is 20. So the value of C is 20. Okay, got this thing? Alright, now let's do some test questions for that. 18k minus 9k is equals to 9. 18k minus 9k is equals to 9. So what's the answer of 18k minus 9k? 18 minus 9 is 9k. That is equals to 9. Now divide it on both sides with the 9. Here is only 1, so the value of k is 1. Let's check, is there any option for 1? Yes, here. Okay, let's do this one. 4h minus 2h is equals to 10. You all guys please solve it. 4h minus 2h, that is equals to 10. So, what's the answer when we subtract 4 minus 2? That is 2h, that is equals to 10 divided on both sides over 2. Okay, then what's the answer? When you divided 2 over 10, the answer you got it is 5. This 2 cancel. This 2 is cancel out with the 5. Okay. H is equals to 5. Let's check. Yes, here. Then okay. Okay, now let's solve. 10v minus 2v is equals to 16. 10v minus 2v is equals to 16. So 10v minus 2v is equals to 16. Okay, now what's the answer when you subtract 10v minus 2v? It's just simply subtraction. That is the answer is 8v is equals to 16. What's the value of v here? 16 over, sorry, not this way. Just divide on both sides with 8. Here is v is equals to 2. Let's check, is there any option for 2? Yes, it's here. Okay, 16r minus 11r is equals to 20. 16r minus 11r is equals to 20 or something different. Yeah. So 16 minus 11, what's the answer? It's 5. R is equals to 20. Now divide on both sides with 5. Here cancel out, it's R, and from here it's 4. Okay, so answer is 4. Then okay. Hope you guys are able to solve the remaining parts of all these. Okay, now let's discuss the next lesson. So you guys solve rest of the questions. Solve equations involving integers. Okay, so here is only the integers are involved, like, okay, like the simple things now. And sometimes the integers are involved, like how. What are integers? First of all, integers are basically like the numbers which have plus sign as well as the minus sign. Okay, these are called basically the integers. If we are saying that the 3 is an integers, it means that plus 3 and minus 3. This is in the integers form. Now here we just add up with integers like this way. Here is the question: 5 into plus into minus 8 is equals to p. Okay, 5 plus into minus 8 is equals to p. So what does it mean? First of all, you guys know the table, know about this table, like if there are two plus sign, it means that that is plus. If there are two minus sign, that means plus. If there is one plus and one minus sign, that means minus. There is one minus and one plus sign, it's also a minus. Okay, you guys remember that thing. So hope you guys remember this thing. Okay, now look, 5, then plus minus is minus 8, which is equals to p. 5 minus 8 is 3, and you always put the sign with the greatest number. What's the sign with the greatest number? Which is minus sign. So p is equals to minus 3. That is your answer. Okay, let's solve the next. P is equals to 8 minus into minus 1. So p is equals to 8 minus into minus 1. Look at here, now there are two minus sign. What it becomes? Plus. Look. So p, 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay. Alright, let's do the next. 5 minus into minus 4. So here are two minus sign, that becomes plus. So 5 plus 4 is 9 is equals to p, or p is equals to 9 is your answer. Okay. Alright, let's do this one. 7 minus into minus 3, that is equals to x. There are again two minus sign. It means that 7 plus 3 is 10, that is equals to x. Okay. Now let's do some test questions. P is equals to 2 minus into minus 4. P is equals to 2 minus into minus 4. Minus minus becomes plus. P is equals to 6. Okay. So here is the answer. That is right. Okay, you all guys tell me what's the answer of that one. P is equals to 1 minus into minus 3.
You all again plus first check the signs. Yeah, if there are two minus signs, so minus minus becomes plus.
It's 4. Good. Okay. So let's do this one. G is equals to 5 minus 3. This is just a simple thing like 5 minus 3, like that is 2. Okay, so 2 minus 1 is equals to C. So what's the answer? 2 minus 1? That is 1. That is equals to C. Minus 7 plus 10. Look at here now. Here is minus 7 then plus 10, which is equals to K. If there is 1 minus 1 plus, what's the answer? Always be subtraction. So minus 7 plus 10 is, it's minus, so it means that there is 3. So which sign you put with the 3? The sign with the greatest number. With the 7 it's minus sign, with the 10 it's plus sign. So you put plus sign with it, okay? So there is no need to put the plus sign, so you just only put here 3. So we say that that is 3. Okay, let's do the that one. This is also the same. 2 minus 6. What's the answer for that? This is again a complicated, like, look at here. P is equals to 2 minus 6. With the 6 it's negative sign, and with the 2 is positive sign. So 2 minus 6 is basically 4, like subtraction. But which sign you put with 4? With 2 it's positive sign, then with 6 it's minus sign. What is the greatest number here? Greatest number is basically minus. So you just put it minus 4 here. Okay. So P is equals to minus 4. Now 8 minus 5 is equals to P. This is simple. What's the subtraction of 8 minus B? That is 3. And you put the sign with the greatest number. So what is the sign with the greatest number? It's 3. U is equals to minus 7 plus into minus 2. Okay, let's solve this one. U is equals to minus 7 plus into minus 2. First of all, solve these the sign, middle sign. Okay, U is equals to minus 7 plus minus become minus 2. Now if there are two minus, what it becomes? Plus. So 7 plus 2 is 9. But which sign you put with the 9? The sign with the greatest number. What is the greatest number here? That is 7. And with the 7, that is negative sign. So here it becomes minus 9. Okay. Now hope you guys understand this thing. Let's solve, I think so, one or two more question for that part. Now if I'm going to write it here, x is equals to minus 3 plus minus 7. Okay, Now you guys are able to solve this one. Minus 3 plus into minus 7. Now look at here. This is again the same thing. Like first you solve the sign in the middle. 1 plus 1 minus. If there is 1 plus and 1 minus sign, so always be minus. It means x is equals to minus 3 minus 7. If there are two minus, what it becomes? Plus. X is equals to 7 plus 3 is 10. But what you put the sign with the greatest number, that is in the 7, which is minus sign, then you put minus 10. Okay, hope you guys understand this lesson as well. And now you solve the rest of the question by yourself for this lesson. Let's do the next. Model and solve the equation using the algebraic tiles. Okay, now which equation does this set of algebraic tiles represent? Now look at here. Here are the green and some orange tiles, like, and they are saying that like these are all one. Okay, in the first figure we just check 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 ones. But in the second one we just check 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 ones. So look at the tiles on the left side of the set. It means that left side first we check. The left side has one green tile and the eight orange tiles. Okay, only one green tile. This full one is green. This full. And how many the orange? That one is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So what does it mean? It means that this green is x, and how much the orange tile, that is 8. So x plus 8, that should be the equation. But now look at here. This becomes x. If I'm going to draw here, okay, then for example, here is some, okay, then now here are some small tiles, not in, okay, I'm going to drawing only this. And now in this side there are, sorry for that, like this way. Okay, now here just shape it. All right, now this is your x. So this is x. Now add with how much? 1 2 3 4 5 6. X plus 6. How much these? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Got it? Now let's find the value of x. So x is equals to this. First of all, just add both the side with -6. Now x plus 6 minus 6, that is equals to 9 minus 6. That should be cancelled. And what's the value of x? 9 minus 6 is 3. So it means that these x tiles are 3. 1, 1, 2, and 3. Got it? Hope you clear this thing. Okay, so which set of the algebraic tile represents the equation? Here is basically x plus 3 that is equals to 12. Okay, equation is given. Let's draw that shape. X plus 3 that is equals to, let's for example, 5. So here is your x. Then here is your, like here is your 3. Okay, this is x, that is 1, 2, and 3, which is equals to 5. 3 and then 2 more. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This is basically the algebraic tiles represents x plus 3 that is equals to 5. Got it? And now these are the different equations like we represent. Got it? Like in this way. X plus 4 is equals to 10. Same thing. Here is the x. X that is equals to 4, which is equals to, then is equals to 10. How much the 10 is here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. Then in this way, here is x plus 6 is equals to 10. Like look, this is x. How much 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and now here is 10. Then x plus 5 is equals to 10. Look at here. This is x plus 8 is equals to 10. All of it like this way. Now here are some test questions. So I must say like x plus 9 is equals to 16. X, and then you just check where the other 9 tiles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is not. In second part that is only 1. In third this is 9. And in that is equals to 16. And are these 16? Yes. So here is the answer. Okay, like just click this way, you just need to count it out. X plus 2 is equals to 10. Check with the x, there is only 2 tiles. There is also 2 tiles now. You count it as well, is equals to 10. So where are the 10 tiles? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. It means this option is right because in that option there are a lot of tiles is equals. Okay. Then which equation does this set of the algebraic tiles represents? Here is x. 1, 2, 3, 4. X with the 4. X with the 4. That is equals to how much? Count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So x plus 4 is equals to 7. This one is right. Okay. Now x plus 4 is equals to 11. Count it now. This is just, you just count all the thin numbers and then now solve all the rest of the questions by yourself. So here is the last topic. Write and solve the equation that represents the diagram. So you just need to uh, revise this topic by yourself, and if you still need any help in any of the question, then we will discuss, because there is no time now, we will discuss it in the next session. So today we discussed the one variable equation, and here we discussed the solve two-step equations, then solve equations involving like terms, solve equations involving integers, model and solve equations using algebraic tiles. Only one topic is left. So you guys make sure before starting the next session, you guys practice all the questions, and if you still need any help in any of the question, then you contact on the Skype. All tutors are available 5 to 9 p.m. Monday to Friday. Okay. And now you guys take care of yourself. Have a good day. Bye.